In this video, I will show you exactly how to use AutoDS for Shopify dropshipping. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform designed to make selling online easier, faster, and far more efficient. Instead of manually adding products, tracking prices, updating stock, or fulfilling orders yourself, AutoDS handles these processes automatically. This means you can spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time focusing on growing and marketing your store. Whether you're a complete beginner just starting out or an experienced seller looking to scale, AutoDS gives you the tools you need to run a smooth operation with Shopify. What makes AutoDS especially powerful is the combination of its product marketplace, automation features, and integrations with popular suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and many more. You can import products in just a few clicks, automatically monitor stock and pricing, and even let the system fulfill orders on your behalf. With these tools, you reduce errors, save time, and increase your chances of building a profitable dropshipping business. That's why in this video I will guide you step by step through the process of connecting AutoDS to Shopify, setting up your account, importing products, and managing everything from your dashboard. I will start with creating your AutoDS account. You can sign up with Google or by entering your details manually. Once you have filled out your details, you will be asked what platform you want to sell on. Since we are going to be using Shopify, select that and click Continue. After this, you will see the different package options. AutoDS has annual and monthly billing plans. The packages include Import 200, Starter 500, Advanced 1K, and Premium levels with more advanced features. For this demonstration, I will choose Starter 500 because it includes important features like price and stock monitoring, which are extremely useful. You can, of course, pick whichever plan makes sense for you. Starter is designed for beginners creating a store, while Advanced and Premium are for experienced dropshippers who need higher product limits and faster support. Select your trial, enter your payment details, and continue. Once you complete this, you will see the welcome screen where AutoDS asks you to add your first store. Before connecting your store, you need to have a Shopify account already set up. Once your Shopify account is ready, go back to AutoDS, click Add Store, select Shopify, and continue. If you are already signed into Shopify, you will see the Install button appear. Click Install, confirm again, and your Shopify store is now connected to AutoDS. Now that your store is connected, you can start using AutoDS. The overview page has a marketplace, print-on-demand options, your analytics dashboard, orders, products, drafts, and customer support. The marketplace is where you will find a wide variety of products. One of my favorite things to do here is filter products by shipping location. For example, if you want to sell to customers in the United States, you can filter for items that ship from the United States, and many of them arrive within just 1 or 2 business days. This is a great way to ensure fast delivery. You can also filter by category so that your store stays focused on a single niche. Some popular niches include home improvement, outdoor sports, fitness, or pets. For this tutorial, I will focus on the pets category. By sorting products by best sellers, you will see popular items such as a dog bed that comes in multiple colors, has high-quality images, and good reviews. This type of product can easily be imported into your store. To do this, click Import Draft and the item will show up in your Drafts tab. From there, you can optimize the product title and description using the AutoDS AI writing tool. You can choose different styles such as professional, sellable, funny, or optimized for social media. You can also adjust the creativity level for balanced, precise, or more creative results. Once you are satisfied, save your changes and then click Import to send the product to your Shopify store. You are not limited to the AutoDS marketplace. You can also import products directly from suppliers such as Amazon or AliExpress. The process is simple. Copy the product link, paste it into AutoDS, and the platform will detect the supplier automatically. For example, I found a dog food dispenser on Amazon that is not heavily branded. I copied the link, pasted it into AutoDS, and the system recognized Amazon as the supplier and set the region to the US. You can either publish the product immediately or edit it first. I recommend editing so you can once again use AI to optimize the title and description. After editing, save the product, enable stock and price monitoring, and then import it to your store. Stock and price monitoring is one of the best features of AutoDS because it ensures that your prices and availability always stay up to date. Price optimization is another useful feature. AutoDS calculates the buy price and automatically marks up the sell price, leaving you with a profit margin. You can always adjust the price, but I personally like to leave the automatic pricing as it is. Importing from AliExpress works the same way. Copy the link, paste it into AutoDS, and choose the shipping method you prefer: cheapest with tracking, or fastest with tracking. The system imports product details, variants, and shipping options correctly, which saves you a lot of time. Once again, turn on stock and price monitoring, edit the product description if you like, and import the item. At this point, you can go into your Shopify store and see all the products you have imported. Each one has the optimized title, description, images, and correct variants. Before marketing your store, I recommend customizing its look. Go to the online store section, click Add Theme, and explore the free themes. The basic Shopify theme is functional but not my favorite. For this example, I chose the Trade theme from the free themes collection. Once you add and publish it, your store layout will look much better. Now, if you preview your store, you will see all the products under the catalog section. Customers can view images, select product variants, and proceed to checkout. To accept payments, go into your Shopify settings and set up Shopify payments. This is the best option because it supports many different payment methods. You can also add extra payment providers if you want. After customizing your store and setting up payments, you are ready to start marketing. Once you begin getting orders, they will appear inside the AutoDS orders section. AutoDS gives you auto-order credits, which means your orders can be fulfilled automatically without you doing anything manually. When you create your account, you receive 5 credits, enough for 5 automatic orders. You can buy more credits later at a very low cost. This means you can start selling right away and have your first few orders completely automated. AutoDS also offers print on demand, where you can edit and import custom products. Lastly, in the AutoDS dashboard, you can track everything, including your orders, profit, revenue, and new products added. My recommendation is to create both your Shopify and AutoDS accounts, follow the steps I showed you, and focus on a specific niche. For example, build a pet store, a fitness store, or a home improvement store. Sticking to one niche helps you market better to a targeted audience. Now you know how to use AutoDS for Shopify. And remember, success with dropshipping is not about luck. It's about having the right tools, putting in the work, and staying consistent. With Shopify and AutoDS, you already have the foundation, so take action today and start building the store you've been thinking about.